Adobe fixes bug that damaged MacBook Pro speakers. Adobe has fixed a bug in its Premiere Pro after users complained certain features of the software damaged latest MacBook Pro model's built-in speakers. An Adobe representative acknowledged the company had received a small number of user reports about the issue that could affect the speakers in MacBook Pro. The fix was released through Adobe's Creative Cloud app in an update. Twitter CEO to not attend Parliament panel meet on Monday. Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey will not attend BJP leader Anurag Thakur headed parliamentary panel meeting, which was rescheduled to February 25. The February 11 meeting on safeguarding citizens' interests following anti-right-wing bias allegations on Twitter was postponed after Dorsey failed to appear, citing short notice. Twitter said its public policy head Colin Crowell will attend the meeting. BJP MP-led panel summons officials of Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram. The Parliamentary Committee on Information Technology, led by BJP MP Anurag Thakur, has summoned representatives of Facebook, WhatsApp and Instagram this year. The panel said it would hear their views on safeguarding citizens' rights on social or online news media platforms on March 6. The panel previously summoned Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey to appear on Monday to discuss the same topic. Twitter co-founder Evan Williams to quit its board after 12 years. Twitter on Friday announced that co-founder Evan Williams will leave the social media company's board of directors at the end of the month after 12 years. Williams was the second largest Twitter shareholder on the board behind Twitter CEO and co-founder Jack Dorsey. Williams served as Twitter CEO from 2008 to 2010 and is now the CEO of publishing site Media.com. Alibaba rules out layoffs this year despite China economy slowdown. Chinese e-commerce giant Alibaba CEO Daniel Zhang said the company will not lay off employees this year despite China's economic slowdown. When the economy is bad, the biggest advantage for online platforms is to create jobs, Zhang said. Chinese media reports this week said that Alibaba's rival JD.com would lay off 10% of its senior executives.